Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application installing on your device. After that just open the app and click enable in settings. After that tap here on the switcher near green Apple keyboard, tap OK, again OK. After that just go back and click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, and for example we can go to the app search here to see the look of our new device keyboard, and as we can see this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as they are all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.